Hello, Le Cocktail Connoisseur. I'm Alberto Melis from the Batuar bar in the Cotton House Hotel Barcelona, and today we're going to present you the Unusual Mary, one of our signature drinks. So, for this drink, we're going to use 22 ml of Lilu gin, that it's a nice gin infused with oyster shell, so it's going to give us a nice saline and oyster flavor. And then we're going to put 90 ml of clarified gazpacho. So this is the classic Spanish recipe for the gazpacho with tomato and red pepper, and we blend everything with sun-dried tomato, feta cheese, fino sherry. Here we go. 2 dash of saline solution. Just a quick stir. And it's ready. And the idea of the drink was to have like the same mouthfeel of the Bloody Mary, but like in a light way. I mean, it's a clarified drink, so of course you don't have that kind of density, but your mouth is gonna be fulfilled by the taste of the drink. The garnish is Thai salt, so we have some acidity and a bit of spicy. Here you go. Enjoy.